Hi guys, today I did this green smoky eyeshadow. It's the color I almost never use for makeup. I wanted to try it and I think I like it. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with it. Generally, it's difficult to get this color right according to me because if you overblend this color, it might just end up looking like dirt on your eyes. But it seems to have worked really well today. If you guys like it too, please stay tuned to see how I created this look. I'm going to prime my face using Max Prep and Prime Spray and then continue with color correcting my skin tone and applying foundation. I'm using a mix of two foundations today. That's the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Liquid Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar and Too Faced Born This Way Full Coverage Foundation in Golden. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. Applying it all over the lid using an eyeshadow brush and then setting it in with a translucent powder. Next, going in for my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. First, I'm using the shade Amber from the Huda Beauty palette over the crease line as a transition color. Next, I'm using this black eyeshadow called Decadent from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that's well pigmented. Applying it on the crease line first, I formed a triangular shape in the corner of the eyes and then blending it inwards, focusing on the crease line. I'm using this green eyeshadow shade called Money Bags from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and just packing the color in the middle of the eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm using a lighter shade of green. You can't really see it on camera, probably because of the lighting, but it's slightly lighter than Money Bags. This one is from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Eyes Like Angels palette. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you. I could try. Won't you kiss me? Once I'm done with the upper portion of the eyeshadow, I'm going to complete the rest of the face, that's concealing, highlighting and contouring. Come and try me now.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you trust me? Ain't no way I could deny.
Now to complete the whole eyeshadow look, I'm using Colorbar's Just Black Kohl pencil. Only in the outer corner, I'm applying it only halfway. I'm then blending it in with a black eyeshadow. Now using the same shade Money Bags that I used on my lid for the inner corners. Curling my eyelashes before putting on fake lashes, I'm going to use Lash Talk Melodrama by Nykaa.
Left alone, left alone.
I'm using MAC's Long Lasting Mascara for my lower lashes. Finally applying Silver Kohl pencil in the waterline. Next, some blush and highlights before I do my lips. For lipstick today, I'm using NYX Professional Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Vintage. If you go wrong with your liquid lipstick, you can always use this trick. Take some concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush and tidy the lines around the lips. This is the final look. If you like it, please like and share it with friends. I have listed all the products I used in this video in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.